Okay, so today we have two stock charts open. We're looking at SPY and we're also looking at Tesla. Let me zoom out of this. The market still is open. It's about to close in 5 minutes, but I figured that I would record this video just to go into a topic that might be very hot for a lot of traders out there. So I'm going to talk about jumping and transitioning from a demo account to a real account. And I'm going to go over the differences between a paper demo account and a real account. So a demo account, is it worth trading on? Yes, it is. What can it help you do? It can help you build confidence when it comes to trading. It can help you understand strategy, and you can develop a strategy through paper trading accounts. However, you're not going to have the same results that you have on demo that you have on a live account, and I'll tell you why. And it's not only because of the fact that you're dealing with real money, although that can be, and that's more psychological, but technically demo accounts are delayed. They're usually delayed by about 15 minutes, and even if you have real-time data on your paper demo account, there is still a delay of a few seconds, which might be 5 seconds or 8 seconds. And in these 5 to 8 seconds, a lot of things can happen. Paper trading accounts are very, very profit friendly. So you can trade and get into profit immediately. Let's say you were demo trading and you saw this trade opportunity right here. You entered into a short and you realized that it was a little bit in consolidation, then it dropped even further. If you took that on a real live account, yes, it would have been profitable, but keep in mind that the numbers wouldn't have been the same. Real live accounts open instantly at the price that you hit the button at. Paper accounts, on the other hand, have a little delay, and you might enter into profit when you trade. I have a story about this because I remember a while ago I was just testing this out myself, and I entered into a put on a demo account and a put on a live account. Now I entered at the same time. I entered into the put, and it instantly put me in profit for about $17. Now on my live account, it put me into a position of negative 2.5. Then 5 minutes passed. I was looking at the P&L. My paper account was up 50, and my live account was up 20, 25, somewhere around there. So there are differences in paper accounts and live accounts. And it's important to understand and know that before trading. Because a paper account, just because you're profitable on a paper account, doesn't mean you're profitable on a live account. Now, is a paper account worth trading? Yes, it is, because you can still develop that strategy. You can still develop a little bit of confidence. And when it comes to actually trading on a live account, I'm going to go over that in another video. When it comes to actually trading on a live account, there's a certain way that you do that to rebuild that confidence. Keep in mind that you don't want to just jump into trading. You don't want to fund your account, start trading 2 options, 3 options, 4 options, 5 options, however many options you want to trade, 10 options, 20 options, 1 option. You don't want to just jump into the market doing that based off of the experience that you had on a paper trading account, because you are not going to see the same results. There are many, many differences, not only with the software, but also psychological differences. So, with that being said, that is some of the differences between a paper trading account and a demo and a live trading account. Keep in mind that I'm going to go over in one of these next videos of how to start trading a live account without risking too much, so that you can build your confidence trading and it looks like the market just closed. So yeah, in that other video, I'm going to go over how to build that confidence when it comes to trading a live account, and how to not just be dependent on indicators. Yeah, you're looking at my screen right now and you see these easy to read indicators, but trading isn't all about indicators. There are going to be many moments where you might get out of trades. Take, for example, you might get out around here and you might re-enter around here. You might even have a small loss around here and you might re-enter and become profitable again. So indicators aren't everything, even though they're helpful. With that being said, this is the video for the day.